So this is the second part in a two-part webinar. The first one was a few weeks ago with RStudio Server Pro, and then this one is about Shiny Server Pro. These webinars are slightly different than some of the other webinars that we've done in that they're geared towards administration of our products, and they are, we'll be referring to the admin guides frequently. So this one's about Shiny Server Pro, and I'm really excited to do it, and I've got a lot to go through, so we should just get started. To give you a brief background of our product stack, for those of you that are maybe not that familiar with RStudio products, we have an IDE, we have this thing called Shiny, which is what we're talking about today, and then we develop all these open source packages that are freely available to the community. What is Shiny? Shiny is a web application framework for R. You can turn your analyses into interactive web applications, and you don't need to know HTML, CSS, or JavaScript in order to build these. This is a hello world script that's on our main page, shiny.rstudio.com. You can see that you have some interactive controls, and you can add some nice features here, and then you can interact with this app. This app is built with two pieces. One is the UI script that defines the user interface, and then the other one is server.r, which defines the actual functionality of the app itself. For example, histogram is in here, and as well, which is right here, as well as like the rug plot and the density lines. So this is a Shiny app. We have a lot of lectures and discussions about Shiny apps. We're not going to be really talking about developing Shiny apps today. We're going to be talking about hosting those Shiny apps using Shiny Server Pro. The other thing that's a little bit different about these webinars than the previous ones that we've done is that these really are focused on our professional products, and we're doing that because if you're going to have an administrative team managing the products, you're probably going to be using our professional products. So a lot of the features that we'll be talking about today are specifically pro-related products, and I'm not going to differentiate between pro and open source here. I will solely be referring to pro features without making that distinction. So every Shiny application requires a Shiny server on the back end. Shiny Server Pro is the product that we use to help secure performance and monitor resource utilization, and really make your applications available to everyone in your organization or your enterprise. We oftentimes get the question, what's the difference between Shiny and Shiny Server? It's a really good question. I can relate because I had the same question when it first was being developed. Shiny is an open source package that is used to develop applications, and it's used to build these responsive and powerful applications. Shiny Server Pro is professional software that you use to host the applications, and it's designed to scale, protect, and manage and secure your environment.